My name is Sharon Tinberg. I am with Rags to Riches, and I want to welcome you to Cleaning Chatter, where we turn the mundane into money by bringing our dirty little secrets out of the closet. And today's dirty little secret really is a dirty little secret that needs to stay in the closet and away from your clients if you are one of the companies that would use the same towel, cleaning cloth, to clean the bathroom as you would the kitchen sink. Back in the dark ages, this wasn't a problem when we used terry cloth towels. Number one, they were all white anyway, so even if it was a problem, there was no fix for it. But we simply bleached the heck out of those terry cloth towels every time we brought them back to the office. Today we use the miraculous and absorbent microfiber towel. And putting any bleach on that towel will automatically remove the electric charge, which is what makes those towels so miraculous and absorbent. Also, you cannot wash them at hotter than 105 degrees, which is whirlpool temperature. Certainly that will not disinfect that towel completely. I still walk into some houses with cleaning teams where the bathroom person and the kitchen person both go to grab the same towels. I believe it was just something passed on from owner to owner. Because, as I said, back in the dark ages, it wasn't important. It is today. But it's expensive and a little time-consuming to teach your cleaners how to use a whole new set of towels. But folks, it has to be done. You have to color code your towels. You cannot use the same towel in the bathroom that you used in the kitchen ever. If you don't have a color coding system, you can just make one up. Put a color with an area, like a lot of the offices I visited have done. Or you can go with the industry standard accepted commercial colors, which are red for toilets and bidets, yellow for the remainder of the bathroom, green for the kitchen and any kitchen areas like patio kitchens or bar areas where they're cutting lemons and limes, blue for, of course, glass and mirrors, and orange for dusting. I would encourage you all to use this coding system. If you're an old company with lots of towels but you have to exchange them for some reason, please change them to the colors of the industry, commercial industry. It would make it a lot easier for all of us. We could simplify. At least when we get a cleaner with experience, they'll know which towel to grab, something that they don't even have now. My desire with these videos is to simplify the cleaning process, just like we have simplified the administrative process through the use of software. No, we don't have software yet to clean a home, but we certainly have plenty of systems that are already proven, if put into place, will make your jobs a lot easier and a lot better on the cleaning side. So, takeaway: don't use the same towel to clean the bathroom as the kitchen sink, ever. And join us Thursday when we'll talk about how you organize and wash all those towels. Until then, please visit us on Facebook at Rags to Riches, Success Made Easy, spelled M-A-I-D. Get engaged. You might find that cleaning chatter is not all that bad.